In this section, we learn how an employee can view the appraisal that is assigned to him through his ESS account. Log into the application with permitted user ID and password. Once logged into the application, click My Account. In the left side navigation menu, click Appraisal. Under the Appraisal menu, 3 sub-menus can be seen by an employee: Rate Myself, Rate Others, and My Performance Appraisal. When the employee clicks on Rate Myself, he can rate on the competency, questions, and KPI metrics. He can rate himself with the appropriate comment that he thinks why he has rated him with a certain metrics. Similarly, in question and in KPI, he can set the metric with the comments. He can choose colleague as well who will be rating him. Click Add Employee. Select the employee who he considers or who is his colleague. Once selected, click Add. And the employee will be selected as the colleague. Under Rate Others, if this employee is selected as a colleague by some other employee who is also scheduled for the appraisal, then he can select the colleague and can rate that colleague. If the approver is not set for performance appraisal, then the appropriate message will be displayed. Under My Performance Appraisal, the employee can view which appraisal is he scheduled for, the start date, end date, and what's the status of the appraisal. Similarly, an HR manager who is allocated the designation of approver, performance appraisal approver, can log into the application, go to his My Account, that is ESS. Under the Appraisal menu, in the Rate Others section, he can approve the self-rating and colleague ratings of the employees who were scheduled for the appraisal, but he can approve rating for those employees only when they have self-rated themselves and the colleagues have rated themselves, as in the workflow it is a mandatory field. That is, once the self-rating is done, only then the colleague can rate, and once the colleague rating is done, only then can approver rate. That's all from this section. Thank you.